welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and I got a good one for you guys today. You all know that I am really into accessories. I'm really into jewelry. You guys know I love me some personalized jewelry and just accessories all together. So I'm really into rings. I love to wear them on my pointer finger, my middle finger, my thumb. I feel like I have kind of manly hands. Not manly in the sense that they look like me. I have hands exactly like my dad. So manly in the sense that they're kind of big. My fingers are kind of long. They're not I don't know. Anyway, so I like to wear like rings and accessories on my fingers. I like multiple rings. I like bigger rings because I feel like they look most flattering on my hand. So I have a ring to share with you guys today, and I'm super excited because I thought that this was so unique, so dope, and I hadn't seen anything like it. I am collaborating with a brand that we have seen on this channel before, and it is Jeulia. Oh, I just love their packaging. I think that it is so sleek. I love how it's black and silver. They really do get the packaging right. It's not huge, it's not overwhelming, but it's really, really nice. So I do like that, especially for gift giving purposes. I think that they really nail it as far as that is concerned. So today we are featuring Jeulia Jewelry. And again, with the packaging, they just know how to do it. They get it right, especially if you're gift giving. They always give you this really nice little gift bag. You do get a little brochure whenever you get something from them. I think that they just do things really, really well, nice and sophisticated, and I love that. And then also they always give you that warning before you remove the tags from your stuff. Make sure that you're inspecting it and that you can clean it because they do have return and exchange policies in place. So that's always really good. Inside my package, I also got a thank you for your purchase, a $15 off and a $50 off coupon. So that is good. Keeps the savings rolling, keeps you doing business with them. And then of course, here is my piece here. I love their soft matte black packaging. I think that it is really, really nice. Really, really luxe. And that foiled writing, I just love it. I think it's so beautiful. So I'm going to show you guys my piece inside the box first. Here she is. I picked this up because I thought it was really, really unique. And I hadn't seen anything like it, but it was right up my alley as far as styling is concerned. You guys know, or if you don't know, I wear a size 9 predominantly on most of my fingers. So the fingers that I like to interchange my rings out of are my ring finger, my middle finger, my pointer finger, and my thumb. And for the most part, depending on how generously cut the ring is, I can interchange it on all those fingers. So here is this one. Is that not just phenomenal? I love the cut of it. I think that it's very flattering for my finger. This is ideal for a pointer finger ring to me. Just ideal. I love that it has the simulated sapphires along with the sterling silver. I think that just brings a bit of sophistication and class to the piece. That is just really, really nice. It fits really nice and snug on that pointer finger. Doesn't feel loose at all, like it's gonna fall off. It also looks amazing on my ring finger as well. Beautiful piece here, guys. Don't clock me on needing to get my nails done. You know, we on quarantine, so we stuck in the house, sis. I'm stuck like you. We looking how we looking. And this one actually will not go on my middle finger, and I think that has a lot to do with how it's cut on the inside of the ring. But that's okay because I think it looks phenomenal on my pointer and my ring finger, but it does fit my thumb pretty nicely also. I just think that let me let you guys take a look at this up close and personal. I just wanted to give you guys an up close and personal look at this because I don't think that I'm doing it justice. You can see the detail in it. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Handcrafted artesian pieces that you have here, and this is the tag that they're speaking of, so not returnable if this tag is removed. So make sure that you're keeping this tag on when you're trying your pieces on so that you're able to exchange and return it. But you guys, this is just a really beautiful piece. Not a whole lot to say about it because it's pretty simple, but I think it adds a lot of character. I think that this is the perfect ring for your ring finger or your pointer finger. And if you were wanting a ring that was not like a traditional wedding ring, you could definitely wear this on as a wedding band. I feel like I can't get my wedding ring off right now, and I don't really but it would be really nice as a wedding band as well. I think that this is really pretty. Let me put it back in the box and show it to you guys so my little ugly fingers aren't taken away from its beauty. And actually, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my tag because I know that I can fit it and that I won't be returning it, but just so you can have another look. And then of course you've got the Jeulia naming on the inside of the box, but there she is. She's beautiful. She's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I love this piece. Let me see. Oh, and of course I didn't even show you because I was just so you always get the same pieces, of course, in your Jeulia packages. Here is a greeting card for if you're wanting to gift it, and then you also, because it is sterling silver, you also get the polishing cloth as well here in this beautiful packaging here. So you guys, that always hook you up. I love it. I absolutely love working with them. It's always a pleasure because their shipping is perfect. Like, their shipping is very quick, fast. I don't have to wait for forever. I just love working with them. They're one of the best companies to work with when it comes to this kind of thing because they're efficient, they're classic, they're timeless, they are really good about communicating, and I just love that. So if you guys are looking for a piece, I know that we are currently in quarantine, and I understand that. I get that, but holidays are still coming up. You know, Mother's Day is still coming up, people's birthdays are still coming up, so it's still the perfect way to gift someone something and have it sent to them or have it shipped out to them. And it's very affordable, and for the quality that you get, you won't be disappointed. I'm always so thrilled with the quality of the items that I receive from Jeulia. Their sapphires, they sparkle and shine like no other. So again, guys, I will have everything listed down below. I'll have a direct link and a discount code here for you and down in the description box as well, so that you can check them out and tell them that I sent you over. I love you guys so much. Make sure that you are taking care of yourself, you're taking care of your family, and we will see you guys next time. You keep me in your prayers, I'll keep you in mine. I love you. Bye.